If you don't know who your chart ruler is in your birth chart, you're actually missing out on one of the biggest pieces of your chart and you don't even know it. And what is your chart ruler, you might ask? It's a very good question. Your chart ruler is the ruling planet of whatever your rising sign is. So if you are a Leo rising, your chart ruler is the sun. If you're a Cancer rising, your chart ruler is the moon. If you're an Aries rising, your chart ruler is Mars. And you would look to wherever you have your chart ruler in your chart to tell you more about not only your rising sign, but it tells you a little bit about how your chart is playing out in general. So for example, I am a Leo rising. My chart ruler is the sun. My sun is in the sign of Virgo. So this might mean that I have a little bit more of a muted or shy Leo expression. And since Virgo is ruled by Mercury, I would also look to my Mercury placement, and my Mercury is in Libra. Now we would look to Venus because Venus rules Libra and my Venus is in Leo. And you might be wondering, well, what does that all actually mean? What it means is that it's not just as simple as saying that you're a Leo rising and you're ruled by the sun. It means that you're ruled by a Virgo sun. You can kind of think of the signs as like filters on a camera. They are the lens through which you are going to see the image of that planet. So a Virgo sun is going to show up much differently than a Leo sun, and so on and so forth. It's worth looking at if you have any hard aspects to your chart ruler as well, because it could explain some issues related to identity or your body or how you feel like you're coming off to the world. But overall, your chart ruler just adds one more layer of specificity to your chart and just adds one more layer of description. So like in my case, Leo rising wants to be seen, right? But Virgo doesn't super like being seen, but Virgo does like being intellectual and smart and analytical. So a Leo rising ruled by a sun in Virgo is like, be seen, but make it intellectual. Intellectual, but make it flashy. And also, since we went down the rabbit hole of my Virgo sun being indirectly ruled by Venus, because Mercury's in Libra, that adds another layer of dimension as well. My Venus happens to be in the 12th house, and I've had a hard time being seen and heard. This is one of the things that I've had to overcome, and one of the things that I feel has contributed a lot to how I identify and my identity in general. So I'd be curious to see, what's your chart ruler? What's your rising sign? And where is it located in your chart? I'm curious to know. My name is Haley. I'm the Virgo godmother. I offer chart readings and I have over 6 years of study. Drop a comment below with your rising sign and your chart ruler if you know it. And if you want to go deeper, check the link in my bio to book a reading. Thanks so much. Bye.